What we know in Ohio is that 1 in 6 people has a criminal conviction. And for most of them, they've never served a day in prison, they've never gone to jail, and they just want to get a job to support their families.
Just because we have a felony on our record doesn't mean that we're bad people. Some of us made a mistake. Mine is back from 1995, and I'm a good worker. They would want to hire me. I come to work, I do what I'm supposed to do, I'm on time, I have a good work ethic, and I'm sure I'm not the only one out there with a felony on their record.
What it is, it's a piece of paper that basically allows someone with a criminal conviction to apply for a job or professional license if they previously were disqualified from the job or professional license. It's an amazing remedy. It is one of the most exciting pieces of legislation that we've had in Ohio in years. Someone who has a criminal conviction or criminal convictions who's interested in the CQE will come to the clinic, and a volunteer will assist them with completing the online application. The online application will then be submitted to the Department of Rehabilitation Correction. The person will then receive an email that they can take their CQE to the Common Pleas Court to file. We are able to take our clinic model in Akron to other parts of the state so they too can do the Certificate of Qualification for employment applications. The grant also provided an opportunity for us to survey all of the people in Ohio who've received a CQE to determine if the CQE has been effective for them. And then the grant has given us the opportunity to conduct training sessions, education sessions for employers so they know the benefits of hiring somebody who has a CQE.
When I was seeking the CQE and I was waiting to hear whether I was approved or not, I was seeking a job also, and the head of personnel really wanted me. But the company's attorney was kind of wavering. And so when I got the CQE and I took everything to her and she presented it to the attorney, he was willing to give me a chance.
The most rewarding part for me is just getting a chance to interact with clients who most likely didn't even know the CQE existed, and then, chatting with them later and finding out that they were able to start their own business or a job that, they thought they could never get because of their criminal record is suddenly possible.
With the CQE, there's no limit on the number of convictions that they have, so practically everybody who has not had a very recent conviction of some kind, you're able to give them some help. So I think that's the most rewarding thing, that when people come to you, it's much less likely that your answer is going to be that there isn't anything at all that I can do for you.
And so without all of these clinics across the state, we wouldn't be able to provide access for all of these people who need help. People are looking for a chance, a second chance. These are people who've been rehabilitated, their crimes are years old, but they're still facing all of the consequences of those criminal convictions. And so the CQE is a path to hope.